So y'all see that right there? Like I said, she's always talking to you. She's always trying to find a way for you to see things and hear things. Watch that video. Literally about to show you the bright one that you were always shining bright long before you knew it. It's all in your bloodstream, in your eye, in your hair, your ears, every part of you. Just listen to that song, guys. There, blue guy. There's a whole bunch of stuff that goes on in this video that'll fix y'all up, but I'm gonna jump it forward to the end here. Here's where you really want to pay attention. See how he's dancing? You want to copy those movements. Those movements will literally wake you up. See how his top's already blown, his hair's standing up? See that bang that he did? You gotta keep coming through. You gotta build that power. Build that infinite power. That way she can help you through. Go ahead and look that video up. Sledgehammer by Peter Gabriel. It'll probably do you some good. Help me out a little bit.